Batanyenda ashoborire kwa abanyamakuru bino mugagara mahango ogwo kumurikira abanya-Uganda enshonga zimwe ezibari kuba batarukumanya.
For me, the people I see with the torch, with the flashlight, it is you, journalist. Now, does somebody with a torch or a flashlight go at the back of the people or it goes in front? In front. Are you sure? Yes. So, now you know you are all now.
Nagira ngo Uganda ayina abazigu bingi ngo konka abazigu bo kubanza n'abanyamakuru abo kurema gukora umurimo gwabo omuburinganiza.
And here the way and the right I'm talking about is being truthful. Jesus says, be truthful and the truth will make you free. Amen.
Wawabiro MP wa Rukiga Honorable Jack Sabiti agizire ngo abanyamakuru no mukono gwihanga gwakana konkati bakamanyaga manega bagubino mu ihanga nico kiri kutumana bari Ebituga. Robert Kakuru wa Kick Corruption washabira abanyamakuru ngo batakahwa mani bagumize mbari gukora umurimo gwabo ngo shaha yona nibiza kushemererwa batunge sente. Abanyamakuru bagambire Jack Sabiti bari kumubuza uko abanyamakuru bakubasa gukora je umurimo gwabo ngo hakubana bashashurwa orufuzi.
One of the radio station in Kashaka Sente Kache, why don't you ojurugemo uzomo ndije sincerely.
Omushomo gubire gugenderiro kugunjura abanyamakuru okuba kubasa kutemura magwabo aha mutindo. Amakuru agasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.